How much does the average wedding cost? Presented by the Bus Bank. Meet Tom and Sally. The month is December and Tom finally decides to pop the big question. Sally says yes. Over the next several months, Tom and Sally search for an ideal venue to celebrate their special day. Shortly after, Sally begins searching for her wedding dress and decides on one from Bridal Couture for $1,200, while Tom's tux only costs $230. Finding transportation using the Bus Bank was simple. Tom found the average cost to rent a limo was $708 versus $500 for a bus. Booking the bus was a no-brainer. The big day has finally arrived. Everything has gone smoothly with the wedding planner Sally hired. The photographer took stunning pictures, the florist made beautiful arrangements, and the ceremony site is picture perfect. After the ceremony, it's now time to party. Sally decides on a DJ, saving some money over a live band. The party favors, catering, and indulgent triple-tier cake all surpass everyone's expectations. Tom and Sally couldn't be happier and danced the night away. After the months of planning, the couple is now ready to embark on a relaxing honeymoon. Tom and Sally decide to go somewhere warm and tropical for 8 days to celebrate their new matrimony and live happily ever after. Make it easy on your guests. Don't let them worry about getting to and from your special day. Let the Bus Bank help. We can plan and arrange your wedding transportation and let you focus on more important things, celebrating the beginning of your marriage with your loved ones.